Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. In this video, I will discuss noun clauses, which are also complex sentences, and this is also a part of how to write longer sentences or long sentences. A noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun. It can act as a subject, that is, it can be put in the place of subject before the verb. It can be an object, it can be placed in the place of an object, the third position, or a complement, or it can be after the to be verb. Common subordinating conjunctions are that, whether, if, what, who, whom, whose, which, when, where, why, how. So don't get afraid, you have a lot of subordinating conjunctions, but all you know. So here we go. Noun clauses as subject. This is the most common form of complex sentences you will find in most of the grammar books. So here a noun clause acts as a subject. Sentence example: what is said is true. Here what he said is the subordinate clause beginning with the connector what, and is the verb. So what he said, she said is true is actually a noun clause. Subordinate clause is a noun clause. Whether she will come remains uncertain. Whether she will come remains uncertain. Here, whether she will come, this part is the subject of the verb remains. That honesty is important is a fact. This sentence is a bit tricky, but don't get afraid. Actually, this subordinate clause, that honesty is important, is a subject to the verb, that is to be verb is. So all these are the examples of subordinate clauses where the subordinate clause acts as a subject. So let's move to the next slide. Noun clauses as an object. Here the noun clause will be placed in the third position, in the position of the object. Examples: I don't know what he wants. If you ask question to the verb of the main clause, no, what no? Answer is what he wants. So answer to any verb is an object. So what he knows is placed in the place of an object, so it is object to the verb no. She asked why he was late. Here why he was late is an object to the verb asked of the main clause. They wondered if the train had left. If the train had left is answering the question to the verb of the verb wondered. He believes that she will win. Now that she will win is the object of belief. Now noun clause as a complement. This is the easiest one. You can find out. I tell you one trick. Normally the to be verb, after the to be verb, the noun clause is mostly complement. Examples are: my friend is who helped me. The reason is why he left. The decision is where we will meet. The problem is how we will fix it. So you see, all the clauses after the to be verbs is are subordinate noun clauses and they are complement, because if we leave the main clause my friend is, it cannot express the full meaning. The meaning is incomplete, and the incomplete meaning is completed by the subordinate clause who helped me. So it is called a complement. A complement completes the meaning of the main clause.